flower I'm going to make is I'm going to make just a little pansy here. If you've seen Susan make large buttercream flowers, it's the same thing. It's just on a smaller scale. This is a 101S tip, which is a 101. It's that rose tip, but it's really small. That's what the S is for. And I just have a little piece of wax paper on my flower now so that it won't stick. And I'm just going to go around and make little ears, just like that. And then I'm going to make like a little ripple. And these are just one color. You can make them in, there we go. You can make them in 2 colors, like I have here. You can see those all right. But they're just tiny little, these are cute little flowers. I'm going to go ahead and try and make a daffodil for you. I've got a 101, just a basic 101, not the S, it's too small. You could actually make these any size, but the eggs aren't that big. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come out and go back. Okay, and a daffodil, it's got 6 petals. Try and keep them even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. Okay, just like that. And then what I need to do is I'm going to put some cornstarch on my hands, and I actually want to pull these up. Yeah, just pull it up just like that. You just don't want it to stick to your hands. And just pull the edges up to make it kind of like a point. And then I want to do the center. It's the same tip. You want to make sure the fat part is down. And I'm just going to go around and give it a little wiggle as I go around in a small center, just like that. I'm doing just a very simple daffodil there. I'm not going to bother. Put in the center, and then this is just a little former, so it'll dry in a curve. Okay, well, we're ready to do the inside of our egg. So let's move this out of the way. Grab our egg. This is completely dry. And I'm going to go ahead and start with the back. I have lots of goodies to put in this egg. I have some little candy egg sprinkles, and I have some of my flowers already made up ahead of time. I did some drop flowers. And of course the flowers and duckies that you saw I did here. I did some swans. I have some already done up little cheap pieces. I did some bunnies. And the bunnies, I also used the marker. I gotta get them out. I also used the marker to do his eyes. I also took a little bit of, when he dried, I took a little bit of dust to give him some pink. This is just petal dust. It's just a pink, a light pink one. And all you do is you just dust it on his ears, just like that. If you want, you can put a little on the cheeks too, or in his tummy. That's wherever you feel like putting it. But that's how I got that on him. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the grass. Okay. This is just a 233 grass tip. And get some of my little guys out. Now, royal icing does dry fast, so you do want to make sure you keep your tips covered with a wet cloth. And you're not using them. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and just touch on here and pull up. I can do these because this is like grass.